Well, I'm here doing some work at home. I'm trying to lower the floor of the kitchen. The level's too high and it's going to be retiled. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting out grooves across the floor with the Bosch angle grinder. It's a 18 volt cordless one. Lovely little piece of kit. I'm really pleased with it. And I'm using this dust guard. It's as you can see, a GDE115 125 FCT. I've just bought it. It was cost about £100, which is quite a lot of money for essentially a bit of plastic and bit of metal. And it's the first time I've used it, and I've just got it connected up to an old Henry Hoover, as you can see. I'm just poking this into the nozzle. It doesn't fit perfectly, but it does the job. Bosch's own dust extractors, I think they've got a nozzle that clips onto this bit here. But so far, for the £100, it's paid for its keep. It's just kept the dust down so much, unbelievable. I've taped up the cupboards and I've put a plastic sheet over the top. But the dust control is brilliant on it. There is dust initially comes out of it, and it does throw a bit of dust out from the bottom, but nothing like what it would do if I never had that attachment on. Let's just get it going. Just pause it and I'll get the thing going and see if I can get a bit of a shot while it's going. And there you can see when the hose came off, quite a bit of dust come out without the suction, so it does do the job. I wouldn't recommend obviously filming and doing it one hand, but yeah, it's a very good little tool, and you push that button there and you can adjust the height of your cut. You've got that locks in, so that's it. The Bosch dust guard for small angle grinders. There is another small version which is about half the price, I believe. I'm not too sure what the features are, but yeah, great piece of kit that. And also very pleased with the Bosch GWS 18VLI, and that's that's it for now. Bye.